Today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter or the AC microfilter, whatever you want to call it, for a BMW 5 Series F10. So my car specifically is a 535i. I believe all the cars in the series have more or less the same way of changing the air filter. So in terms of where it is located, it's located here under the glove compartment. So this is the area we'll be working. Of course, it helps if the car is lifted up, but you can still do it yourself. So to disconnect your battery, first of all, leave the door open, don't close it. And then go to your trunk where you will have your storage area here that you can expose like this with this handle. And then you have two 10mm bolts. You can do with your hand or with a 10mm socket, and then you can easily take them out. Just keep them here on the side so you don't want to lose them, and then you can easily lift the trunk floor to expose the battery. So what we're going to do now with the same 10mm socket, we're going to remove the negative, the black part or the black pole of the battery. Remove it and put it on the side, don't make it touch any metal. And then we're going to leave the car to stand for 10 minutes to let any residual charge to dissipate in the system, and it will be safe to operate then. Just want to loosen it a little bit and then see if it moves. We need to do it again, and then just wait until it's loose enough to you can remove it. So now that I removed it, I just moved it up and I put this piece of microfiber here to make it not touch any metal. So now it's safe. So I'm just gonna leave it 10 minutes as I said. In the meantime, I'm gonna use the 10 minutes to work away from the airbag. I'm gonna undo this T20 Torx screw here so I can take out this side panel. After we undo it, there's two clips here, so I'm just gonna pull it out gently. Just pull it forward, and then it's gonna come out. So after removing the side trim, you will expose a screw right there, so you need to undo it, and then we will undo a couple of screws on this black panel, one on here and one right here. So you just need to undo both of them to take it out. So after removing the two screws, you can gently pull it out. So here I started to pull it out from this side. There's another clip here. You can see, like, okay, here you go. So be careful of this little wire. Don't tug on it. It's very important because this is your airbag. So you want to be gentle, make sure that it's not tugging when you place it down. So an easy way to avoid tugging on this wire is to remove it. So we're gonna go to this connector, revolve it anti-clockwise. You can see it revolved just a little bit, and then you can pull it out. And then you have it here fixed with a clip. So you just pull that one out like this from the plastic gently, and you will release the airbag completely. It will not be connected to anything. So now I completely released the wire. So this part is completely movable now. I can take it out so it will not bother me while I'm working. And at the same time, I keep the airbag safe. So just keep it here. So you can see after you remove this one, you have here this little black box in which you have 4 screws that we'll need to undo. Probably here you will need your electric drill to make it easier because you're working on a very low level and it's not very comfortable to work here. So as I said, I'm gonna resort to my electric drill, but I'm gonna use it carefully. I'm gonna use still my T20 Torx, but I'm gonna move it to the electric drill and undo 4 screws on this box. So now that I removed the cover, you can expose the inside of the box. You will see the 2 air filters, and now you just need to take them out or slide them out from their place. you can see it starts to come out from this panel. Just to give you a bigger view. So it was up and I just pulled it down. So there's another one, there's two of them. So let me just get this one out. So here I have the original one. This is the part number for 535i, as I said. So I'm gonna get out the new one. It's already black a little bit because it's carbon activated. Now if you compare, this is the old one. If you pry it open, you can see how dirty it is already. So we're just gonna replace it, and the very important thing is to take care of the arrow here with the airflow. It should be pointing towards the inside of the car. So now I'm gonna take out the second one. It's right here. Feel this, so you can pull it out the same way. Now I'll get the second one. Again, just check the airflow arrow. Now it's pointing outside. Let's make it pointing inside of the car towards the passenger seat. And now we're good to go. So to be honest, it took two hands to place this one from the inside. So we're just gonna pull it all the way up. Now you can see there's two of them. There's one and there's two here. Yeah, so two pieces. Hopefully you can see them. Now we can place back the cover. Now after we fix the cover here, the plastic cover with the 4 screws, we're gonna just fix this one here in this plastic rim and then connect the connector the same way. So we're gonna plug it in and then revolve it a little bit clockwise. So basically you just connect it like this, then revolve it, and then you connect this metal part in this little rim here. So now that I fixed the airbag connector, there is this clips here and this one there. They will go in this hole, this here, and the same one on the other side. So these clips need to go, you can see, like this. So this will go in the hole here. After that, we'll put the 2 screws back. So now after fixing the 2 screws for this black panel, it's time to put the side trim. I have already here the T20 screw. It will link to this pocket. So, and there's another one here. So there's this part, this part and this part. They need to hook in this pocket and in this pocket. So all you need to do is just put it like this and then pull it to the back. Like this, it's locked in place. So now you just do this screw in the end. So now that this area, we have the work complete, we go back to the battery, and now we can safely plug the negative back in place. You can see, and then tighten this one with the same socket. Now it's tight. That's complete. You can install the floor of the trunk and you're good to go. So one thing you will need to do after you connect your battery is go to settings, time and date, and then set your time and date, because most likely it will be reset because the battery was disconnected for a long time. Hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. Let me know if you have any comments, if you have any other ideas on how to do a job easier. This is just my way. And hope you like and share the video and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you very much. Have a good day.